How to erase object from background on your Samsung phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually erase objects from background on your Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to erase your objects from background on a Samsung phone, all you have to do is first of all open up gallery, and this feature is really amazing. It's only available to Samsung devices. Now you have to simply go ahead and then select a photo that basically has an object around it. So let me just select this photo over here. Now you can see, if you look at the back side of this photo, I have got some cups, I have got some screen cleaning kit, and I have this plastic, the flower vase, as well as this little spectacles icon. Now what I want to do is, this is a really good photo, but I want to remove those objects because they are just disturbing me. What you want to do is, after you open the photo on the gallery app, just tap on the edit icon here, which is the pencil like icon. Once you tap on the edit icon over here, it will just take you to this page. Now you have to look for the object erasure tool, which is that you have to tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side, and then here you'll find a button that says object eraser, so you want to just tap on it. Now when you tap on object erasure, all you need to do is just zoom in or draw a circle around the object, or you can just tap on it once. The AI will automatically select it, or else you can simply circle it yourself manually like this, but I will just let the AI do its job because they are more perfect than us. And then I'll just select another piece over here, and then I'll select the other pieces as well. So these are the two objects, let's say I want to remove from my background, right? All I need to do is, after I select these objects over here, I just need to tap the little erase button which you see over here. So just tap the erase button here and let the AI do its job, and once done, you can see amazingly the object has been removed from my background as if they didn't exist at all. Now I can just tap on done, then I can just save this photo over here. This is simply how you can go ahead and erase objects from background on a Samsung phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.